Tired of confusing international money transfers? Let's dive into how to send money directly to an Mtn Mobile Money account using Worldremit, a super convenient way to send cash internationally. First, you'll need either the Worldremit website or the app downloaded on your phone. Log into your account or create a free one if you're new. Now that we are in, let's initiate the fun part. Press the Send Money button or the equivalent on the app. The screen will provide options to choose the country. Select the country where the recipient is located and ensure your recipient's country is supported. Many African countries are available. You'll then choose the mobile money delivery method from the available options. This method will provide funds directly to their mobile phone. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's information, their full name, mobile phone number, and the Mtn Mobile Money account number. Double check, triple check, and verify that the mobile number is correct. Input the amount you wish to send. Worldremit will clearly display the exchange rate and fees. Select your payment method. You can generally pay via credit card, debit card, or even via bank transfer in some instances. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen: recipient's information, the amount, fees, and the payment method. Okay, to send it, tap Send Money. You'll get a confirmation message, and your recipient will receive an SMS notification that the money has been sent. You can also share the reference number for tracking purposes. That's it. Your loved one now has access to the funds directly on their mobile phone. They can use the money for payments, purchases, or cash withdrawals, depending on how their Mtn Mobile Money account is configured. Congratulations, you just sent money the easy way.